This tutorial is for report others. Pagka-click ng report others, meron tayong another 3 button na lalabas. Dun muna tayo sa first button which is yung customer sales. Dito natin makikita yung transaction per customer. For example, walk-in. Makikita natin lahat ng sales ng walk-in. Then mag-show siya dito sa ilalim na table. Then andun lahat ng overall amount. For example, March 20, check sales by date. Dahil wala tayong transaction nung 20, walang lalabas. Pero pag ibinalik natin siya ng 21, lalabas ulit yung transaction natin nung day ng 21. Next naman is yung second button which is yung supplier sale. Sa supplier naman, isa-select natin kung sinong supplier. For example, is Restorm. Select ulit natin yung specific date, then check inventory by date. Ilalabas lahat ng stocks na meron pa yung mga items na galing kay supplier which is Restorm. Lahat ng item is masho-show basta ang kanyang supplier is yung Restorm. Dito makikita din natin lahat ng total remaining amount. Total sales, then yung total income.